Additive manufacturing, which is commonly known as 3D printing, is, is at the forefront of digital fabrication. It is the computer control process that creates three-dimensional objects by depositing materials, which produces objects by building the structures from small deposits of material in layers. The construction industry has begun to explore additive manufacturing as an emerging building technology, mainly because of its possibility to go directly from a 3D model of an object to a finished product with one touch and one machine. It uses a wide range of materials such as steel, glass, ceramic, polymer, concrete, and more. One of the inviting advantages of 3D printing is the ability to make custom-built, complex, and unique components.